You know, it's funny how we often complicate things that should be simple. When it comes to losing weight, we dive into the latest fad diets, the newest workout trends, and all those flashy supplements that promise miracles. But at the end of the day, it really boils down to a few straightforward exercises that can help us burn that excess fat and shed those extra pounds effectively. It's almost like we forget that our bodies are designed to move, to be active, and to thrive on simple, consistent effort. Let's start with walking. Yes, walking. It's the most basic form of exercise, yet so many of us overlook it. Just think about it. You can do it anywhere, anytime. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment. A brisk walk for 30 minutes a day can do wonders for your metabolism. It gets your heart rate up, helps you burn calories, and it's a great way to clear your mind. You can listen to music, a podcast, or just enjoy the sounds of nature. It's a simple, effective way to start your journey. Then there's bodyweight exercises, push-ups, squats, lunges. These are all fantastic for building strength and burning fat. You don't need weights or machines. Your own body is the best tool you have. A set of push-ups can engage your chest, arms, and core, while squats target your legs and glutes. And lunges? They're perfect for balance and coordination. You can do them in your living room, at the park, or even in your office during a break. Just a few sets a few times a week can make a significant difference. Let's not forget about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. It sounds fancy, but it's really just alternating between short bursts of intense activity and periods of rest. You can do it with almost any exercise: sprinting, jumping jacks, burpees. The beauty of HIIT is that it can be done in a short amount of time, and it keeps your heart rate up long after you finish. It's efficient and effective, making it perfect for those of us with busy schedules. And, of course, let's talk about consistency. It's not about doing a million exercises in one day and then burning out. It's about showing up day after day and making those small, sustainable changes. Pairing these exercises with a balanced diet, whole foods, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and staying hydrated will amplify your results. So, let's strip away the noise and remember that losing weight doesn't have to be complicated. It's about moving your body, making healthier choices, and being patient with yourself. Simple exercises, done consistently, can lead to powerful results. It's time to embrace the basics and get moving.